Welcome to CyberTheo. Today, I'll show you how to set up Time Machine backups on your MacBook in just 60 seconds. Step 1. Connect an external drive. Connect an external hard drive to your MacBook. Step 2. Open Time Machine. Click the Apple menu, and select System Preferences. Choose Time Machine. Step 3. Select Backup Disk. Click Select Backup Disk. Choose your external hard drive from the list. Click Use Disk. Step 4. Configure Time Machine. Ensure backup automatically is checked. Optionally, click Options to exclude certain items from backups. Step 5. Start Backup. Time Machine will automatically start the first backup. You can check the progress by clicking the Time Machine icon in the menu bar. And that's it. Your MacBook is now set up to backup automatically with Time Machine. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.